how to set the camera to record spatial audio sound on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Camera. Next, scroll down and then tap on Record Sound. In here, select Spatial Sound or Spatial Audio. Now set here, Spatial Audio records in a 3D audio format and will make intelligent automatic decisions about how to mix the audio when cinematic mode is used or an audio mix is selected in photos. So select Spatial Audio if you want to use that 3D audio feature. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.